how to fix white screen on iPhone. So if you want to fix white screen in your iPhone, then here's a quick step-by-step fix that often works. Start by performing a force restart. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then do the same with the volume down button. Immediately after that, you need to press and hold the side power button. Keep holding it for about 15 seconds, even if the screen stays white or turns black temporarily. Eventually, the Apple logo should appear. As soon as it does, release the side button, your iPhone will reboot and in most cases return to normal. Once it starts back up, you should have full access to your apps, data, and settings just like before. This force restart method fixes most software crashes that cause the white screen error. If your iPhone still doesn't boot, it might require a deeper restore, that is through iTunes or Finder. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.